Hey guys, I'm John from Legacy Wood. Not just from Legacy, but some of our partners and our customers. Let's take a look at each one a little more closely. The first project we'd like to highlight is from Vectric. Vectric created this wonderful Christmas sleigh that you can download off of their free projects on their website. One of our customers, Bob McCall, personalized it with our logo here and sent it to us as a wonderful Christmas gift. The second project was designed and developed by Tracy Anderson, one of the owners of Legacy Woodworking Machinery. This beautiful, delicate, hollow spiral candlestick can be downloaded right off our website. Great as a centerpiece or a gift this holiday season. Don Nichols, one of our clients, developed this beautiful 5-legged display table. Notice the intricate joinery in the top of each of these pieces. Thanks, Don. This is a wonderful project. This beautiful ornament was developed by Chris Anderson from Legacy Woodworking Machinery. Notice the incredible turning here done in conversational cam, as well as the pierced lettering done with the Aspire software. This snowman was developed by Blake Nelson from Spanish Fork High School. It can be turned as a Christmas tree ornament or enlarged to be a centerpiece for your next Christmas party. Thanks, Blake. This is a really cool project. The next 3 projects are centerpieces for your next Christmas party. They can be cut in bulk and painted by your children and grandchildren at the next Christmas party, or pre-painted to be beautiful centerpieces as you celebrate this wonderful holiday season. The next project I developed was the fireplace man. There's nothing better than after a day of shoveling your walks in your driveway and to come back inside, turn on your nice warm fireplace, and enjoy a beautiful heat. This project, as well as all the other projects, can be downloaded in the links below. Nothing says the holidays like lining your sidewalk with these beautiful suckers. Now, my kids painted these ones. They did a phenomenal job. It was a great activity, tons of fun to do. You can either put these in your lawn, lining your walkway and your driveway, or you can use them as part of the next project. Man, it's getting toasty in here. It's time to hang up the hat. This next project is our Christmas pole. A classic pole designed with pointing you to where to go for hot cocoa, to find the Polar Express, or even the North Pole. Like I said before, the previous project can be used by themselves or as part of this one. This project uses a solar lamp post from Amazon and a little bit of elbow grease and painting. Again, all the projects in this video can be downloaded on our website, legacywoodworking.com. If you have any questions about the video, the project you see in here, or anything else, give us a phone call. We'd love to hear from you. It's 801-491-0010. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful holiday season. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you guys in the next one.